Our Sonora speaker family keeps on growing. Today I present you with the Sonora 5A, a self-powered loudspeaker available in black and white. It is an active speaker with a Class D 25 plus 25 watts RMS amplifier which delivers a defined and distortion-free sound. Thanks to the 8 ohms passive speaker output, you can enjoy stereo sound by adding models Sonora 5N or Sonora 5B. Its Euroblock connectors facilitate the installation process. It also features tone and volume controls, mono and stereo selector, and automatic standby function. It incorporates all the needed accessories for a quick and easy installation: adjustable mounting bracket, stainless steel screws, and steel safety cable. Ideal for public address, music and background sound applications in public places such as restaurants, cafes, supermarkets. I also encourage you to watch the installation tutorial, which is common for the whole Sonora family.